Hello everybody, this faucet is cracked and we're going to show you how to crack it, okay? So for that, you're going to need a tray, seal tape, a screwdriver, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do it by hand, little by little, okay? First of all, we need to untie this, unscrew this. See? Easily. Then you go like this on this one. Just a little bit tight. Or you can untie it from here if you can hold it from there. So it's gonna snap little by little. I'm gonna tie this up so to screw from up there. Way it doesn't. Okay, let's do it this way. And then we're gonna do this part over here and then this part over here, okay? It's all by hand. We'll remove the first part. Already, it's right there. We try to remove this one over here and then this one over here, okay? So it's all by hand, just try to untie it by hand, okay? Now the second part is already removed, it's already on the little tray, so we're gonna continue with this one over here, okay? Now the third part, it's already removed, so we're gonna splash it with water and make sure that everything comes down so we can pretty much unclog the drain, the faucet. Now I just run the water for a little bit and just pretty much see the water comes down freely and easily. And you can just go under it. And then on the screwdriver, just do this. And you'll see it's gonna come out over there. You can do that. Glad everything. Sorry guys, but I'm doing pretty much everything by myself. So I'm in my hand. Largely to do the job as I get. So it's pretty much the guys coming out. And you just go in and out until everything is pretty much free and ready to go. As you can see, pretty much it's a red and clag. See all the gross, all the trash, that it came out from it. You can see that it's been properly red and clag. Okay. Check downstairs. There. Just already good. We just need to put everything back and assemble. Also wash the parts over here. So wash it and put it back in, okay? So I'm gonna wash it one by one and clog it and assemble everything back. Okay, everybody, we're gonna put everything back. So this one pretty much already tight. We're gonna take the rest right now. So hopefully, there we go. Good thing. What I'm gonna do over here is because, as I mentioned before, I'm doing everything by myself. So most likely it's a little bit hard to do it by yourself. That's pretty much this part, and we'll waiting for the second part at the bottom, okay? Alright, so it's already pretty much everything screwed up, so we're gonna give it a try and hopefully everything is right. There you go. So put it in cat. Ready to go. Let's check downstairs. Check below, the bottom. Everything is under control. Right. It's nice and tight. Ready to go. So pretty much I'll save a few bucks. I don't know how much it could charge you, maybe $50 or $100. That's a way to save money. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.